Are you tired of your dirt being dirty? Do you have a large field of contaminated dirt that used to be a
tannery, dry cleaner,
or any other site that has a potential hazardous substance? If you do, you're probably under ownership of what we civil engineers like to call
a brownfield.
As the Environmental Protection Agency describes it, a brownfield is a property the expansion, redevelopment, or reuse of which may be complicated by the presence or potential presence of a hazardous substance, pollutant, or contaminant.
There are over 450,000 brownfields in the United States alone, and you are not alone in your desire to clean that dirty dirt. Cleaning up brownfields has many positive effects on the community, such as increasing tax bases, facilitating job growth, decreasing development pressures, and best of all, improving and protecting the environment.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Sydney.
And we're civil engineers. We've watched over the years as people have cleaned their brownfields in all of the wrong ways, leading to more hazards being created than destroyed.
That's why we wrote Brownfield Cleaning for Dummies, which explains the proper methods to clean up your brownfield, including soil washing, enzyme injections, soil vapor extraction, and many more. In the next few minutes, we'll give you an exclusive look inside our book.
Soil washing is one of the exclusive methods we detail in our book. In soil washing, the soil is first sifted to remove larger particles, and then that soil is placed in a scrubbing unit with water and detergent. This mixture is passed through sieves, mixing blades, and water sprays, separating the silt and clay from larger grain particles. Some of the pollution may dissolve in the water or float on top. This polluted wash water is then removed. Most of the pollution, however, is contained in the silt and clay, which are removed for further chemical testing. Sometimes all the pollution is washed out the first time, but often the silt and clay must go through the scrubbing unit a second time or cleaned using another method such as bioremediation. One advantage of this method is that it can be performed on site, which eliminates the risks involved with trucking polluted soil to a cleanup facility. It also reduces the amount of soil that needs to be cleaned by other methods, therefore reducing the cost of the cleanup.
The process of enzyme injections focuses on cleaning the liquid within the brownfield. Therefore, in order to clean all the liquid in the soil, the groundwater needs to first be extracted by vertical and/or horizontal pumps. Then, oxygenated water, nutrients, and the enzyme bacterial consortium mixture is added to the groundwater. After this, the water is injected back into the brownfield, all new and clean.
One specific patented process called enzyme catalyzed in situ dissolved oxygen treatment has the acronym DO IT. So basically, you just need to do it and clean the groundwater in your brownfield.
Soil vapor extraction can be used to clean the air in your soils. To complete this process, go to your contaminated site and drill at least one excavation well. Make sure the well reaches the water table and is at least 3 feet below the ground. Next, attach a vacuum pump to draw up the air and vapor from the soil. Once extracted, these off-gases, as they are now referred to, can undergo a treatment process. First, moisture is removed in an air-water separator. Next, pass the vapor through a filter where contaminants will become trapped and clean air will exit. The filter could consist of activated carbon or a biofilter. In place of the filter, you could also use heating of the off-gases to destroy contaminating vapors. The process of cleaning an entire site can take up to years.
So for the low price of only $19.99,
Plus shipping and handling.
you can learn all the best techniques to bring your brownfield from a dirty, hazardous, ugly site to one that can be sold and redeveloped into a beautiful Lowe's or Walmart.
Call 1-800-276-3537. Call now to receive your personal copy of Brownfields for Dummies, or visit us at our website, www.brownfieldsfordummies.com. And if you call in the next 5 minutes, we'll double your offer. That's right, 2 copies of Brownfield for Dummies for the low price of $19.99. Just pay separate shipping and handling. That's 1-800-276-3537. 1-800-276-3537. Call now.